How's it going, YouTube? Right, we've done a few videos lately on a bit more modern cars and how we can get a bit more usability out of the car stereo system that's in there. We've got one again today. This is with this little adapter here. This is a Alxum, probably, A-L-X-U-M adapter. What this one does is this turns your wired CarPlay into wireless. So there's no extra functionality created with this, but for some people, me included, it's really annoying to keep plugging your phone in every time you want to use CarPlay and connect to it that way. What this device does is this makes it wireless. You do need an already activated CarPlay system. This particular vehicle, this is a 2022 Ford Fiesta ST. This has CarPlay already in it. It's a wired system. This is the dongle from one of the other videos. So to use CarPlay, you'd need to plug in your phone down there. So what we've got is we've got this little dongle here. We'll open this up, have a look what you get in the box, then we'll plug it in, see how you set up your phone. It shouldn't be a long video because it's pretty basic, to be honest, but what it does isn't an important thing. Right, so as you can see on this vehicle, this is where you normally would be plugging in your phone so you can use CarPlay. There we've got a little wireless charging pad, so you can plug in your phone and then put it there. But if you're just going on a quick run, you don't want to be messing about doing things like that. You just want to jump in your car and go off for a drive. So what we've got is we've got this little dongle here. This is a Alxum car wireless adapter. This little dongle, this plugs into this USB slot there, and then we can connect wirelessly to this. So if I open it up, we pull it out. First thing we see is we've got a little sticky pad there to stick it down with, and we've got the dongle itself. Apart from the dongle, we've got a little USB-A to USB-C adapter there. This car is a USB-A, and in the bottom we've got a little user manual. It's quite a thick one. We'll not bother with that. Let's just figure out together how to use this thing. We don't need this. What we do need is this little dongle here. Quite nicely made, actually. I'm assuming that's got a little light on, so we'll know we're connected. We'll find out in a second. So I think the first thing we need to do is we'll just plug this in. We can see there a little green light's lit up, and it's now flashing. On the screen itself, it's come up with the Apple CarPlay, so we're saying continue, so we can use CarPlay. Usual things, click agree. And now it's just sat there in the normal Ford radio system. So I think what we need to do next is we need to connect our phone to this system. So what I'll do is I'll have a look in Bluetooth. Let's see if we can find it. This has got a little green flashing light, so it's searching now. As we can see there, at the bottom of this, we've got smart dongle DB34. Whoops. Let's go back and find it again. Right, so if I click on this smart dongle, that should connect. We'll click pair. Right, that's connected. It's found the dongle. This is the dongle up on now. It's asking for a phone to be connected. We've just connected to it. So if I click that use CarPlay, and there you are, you can see it's come up straight away and we've got CarPlay there. We've got the Ford there. I'm assuming if we press that, that goes back to the Ford system. And if we press CarPlay down here, we'll go back onto the dongle. And as you can see there, I'm connected completely wireless. If we tilt the camera down, there we are, the dongle's down here. Now it's got a solid green light on and we're connected. So no more plugging in your phone. Now we're connected wirelessly and we've got CarPlay running wirelessly there. So now once it's connected, it'll connect again automatically every time and we won't have to connect it anymore. So literally now when we jump in the car, everything will sync up and it'll fire up with this screen and no more messing around plugging in cables. So there you have it, quick little video there. I think that's worth every penny. This is the little adapter. I'll put a link down below where you can buy one of these yourself. Super cheap little thing, and to me it's worth every penny because you're not messing about plugging your phone in every time. Obviously if you go on a long journey anywhere and you're using your navigation for a long time, you want to be plugged in, but for your normal everyday driving to work and things like that, it's perfectly fine just jumping in and working it wirelessly, and you're not having to mess about plugging the phone in. So as I said, I'll stick some links down below where you can get this super cheap little thing. Like the video if you liked it, Subscribe if you want to see some more, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Cheers.